Further out in the open ocean, dolphins herald the arrival of a titan, the biggest animal to have ever lived, a blue whale. And in a world first, they've been filmed behaving in ways never seen before. At over 100 feet long, only a blue whale can make this boat look like a toy. Every summer, blue whales migrate 900 miles from Central America to make the most of the West Coast's productive seas. And this year, they brought someone special. This is the world's biggest baby. At birth, she's already the size of a pickup truck. She still depends on mom's milk and puts on a staggering 250 pounds a day. It's a once-in-a-lifetime experience to see just one blue whale. Yet here are two. And in a moment of astonishing rarity, 2 becomes 4. What happens next has never been filmed before. The group begins racing and seem to be playing around. One even throws in a barrel roll. Why? This is so unprecedented, scientists can't be sure. But it appears to be 3 males competing to impress a female. The world's largest dance-off. Then, as a finale, a blue whale weighing well over 100 tons powers itself out of the water.